I know that I got, it's kind of hard to read, but that's an 11. That one is a 8. You know what? I'm going to give myself a 5 on that last one. I think it was close enough.
I'm ready to go do some target shooting with some 3D targets over by where I live. Bow, by the way, shooting compound bow. And I know that when I get out there from past experience that the internet's a little bit shaky. Sometimes it's in, sometimes it's not, mostly not, especially when I get farther out on the range. I want to have some of these resources available to me whether I have the internet or not. I'm in the command center right now. So here was the prompt. I just put this prompt in, generate a short placement guide for 3D archery targets, cover the ideal aiming points for broadside, quartering away, and quartering toward shots on a white-tail clear target. Explain why each angle changes the aiming point, and format this as a visual guide. Here we are. This was it. It generated this. These were the 4 models that generated this. Were the latest ChatGPT, the latest Claude, the latest Gemini, and the latest Grok. They all synthesize their answer together, so I know I have the best fact-checked answer that I can get. I scroll down here. This has already got a really good visual representation, but then I also have the option to create a visual, which I did. So now I have this corresponding image to go with it. And now I'm going to save it to the knowledge base, make sure I can get this on my flash drive that I'm going to have with me. And I'm also going to download this image, and I can download this whole file on my phone. So even if I'm out there on my phone and with no Wi-Fi or data, I can still bring it up as a reference guide. Save PDF. I'm going to go over here. I already created a new folder in here called Archery. Select that. There it is. Now I'm going to go back over here. This is the offline OffGrid AI Toolkit, which, by the way, let me point out, while I'm out there, even without any Wi-Fi or anything, I have full access to knowledge. All of these models right here, these are offline. I can use this out there, but they don't generate an image. I went ahead and did this so I can generate an image. Here we go. This is the one I just saved. Oh, no, this is one I just did, too. I'm going to take this one out there as well. Take a look. So this actually gives you the scoring reference for the vital zones. And here's the one that I just created right now. And there it is. Now I'll be able to take this out with me, and I'll probably do another video out there as well. But I just wanted to show how quick and easy that process was. I created this in 3 minutes.
I am at the archery range, and I just let go of my 3 first shots, and now I know how to score it, because remember, I made that little scoring field guide before we left, and I saved it on my phone. I know that I got, it's kind of hard to read, but that's an 11. That one is a 8. You know what? I'm going to give myself a 5 on that last one. I think it was close enough. It came in handy. You could use this for all types of different things. It just doesn't have to be archery. But if you have any circumstance or need where you want to build a visual before you go out and you know you're going to be off grid, offgridaitoolkit.com.